video tutorial will show you straightforward steps on how to highlight your duplicates in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets. Now we are going to highlight these duplicates from here, from A15 colon A row 15 to colon A row 33. So to highlight these data, you select the data you want to highlight. Now you click on the Format tab at the top of the screen and you select Conditional Formatting. A dialog box will appear at the right hand of the screen. You click on the arrow, the drop down arrow in the Format rules, and you scroll through and select Custom Formula. Now in the value of formula, you input this formula equal to the COUNTIF formula. COUNTIF. You open your bracket, then you input the colon and row number you want to show or highlight duplicates for. But before each colon, you have to put a dollar sign. Now we're working on colon A. You put $A, row 15, $15, and we're stopping at colon A, row 33, $A, $33. Then input a comma and A15. That is the first number. After you've inputted this, you close your bracket. You also input the greater than sign and 1. When you're done, you can see that the duplicated data have been highlighted. You can choose to change the color to your choice. Then you click on Done. These are the duplicated data. That means names that occurs more than once. So guys, that's all for the video. Please ensure to like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more useful videos. Bye guys, see you soon.